Hi, it's Wesley with Expandacraft. Another update here. I would like to welcome you to my shop. It is a wreck in here because we have gotten 22 orders out of the door. Yesterday we filled a UPS truck full. Isn't that right, Will?
That's right.
That's Will. He's been helping me out here, and his wife Beth, who's running the camera. Say hi, Beth.
Hey.
No, you're supposed to say hi, Beth.
Hi, Beth.
See, that's how it works around here. I call the shots, and well, I just wanted to show you guys my shop. It is a bit messy. This is one of the center parts. I just wanted to let you know I really do stand behind my product, Expandacraft. All right, we are going to go outside here in just a sec and show you some of the things that we have going on and talk to you about Expandacraft parts. Now, these parts that we have right here, this is some of the last parts you'll be able to get at this price, folks. I got a few left. You're going to put one in the trailer while you're at it? Okay. Will's going to help me out. He's going to box it up. Come on this way. Now what I have here is I have two clients who happen to live in Panama City Beach, which is only a couple hours from me here in Panacea, Florida. You guys got to come down here, pick it up, and have a vacation. I actually rent RV campers too. Yeah, nice place. Expand a camp, you could call it. I call it base camp. And you can come here. You can actually have your kit installed if I have time on my schedule, which is getting quite tight. So anyway, I decided I'm just going to drive these up here. It's way less money for my clients than shipping. And basically, I'm just doing it for gas money, and I can get to have some fun in Panama City for a day. All right, so we got all of this up here. Now let's see. Go ahead and see if you can come up. Take your steps easy now. Let's see. Box trailer. This is it. I don't know if you can see it, folks. Well, these ones with the labels here, there's a bunch of them here, the labels. This is for tomorrow's truck. Yeah, there we go. And see these loose parts, all of these loose parts. There are some that are in the driveway behind the RV that you can't really see. These are the parts that I have left, folks. I've got green, I've got black, I got 3 yellow valves, which means I can put together one more yellow one-sided boat. That's it. If you get that, you'll be the last one to get it at the $149 price. It's going to go up. I just don't know how much. It might be $7 or $8. It might be $10 or $12 per part. Everything's going up, folks. Let me come back out here. All right, Beth. Got your... There we go. Okay, folks, let me see. I'm going to wrap it up. Black and tan price increase. We had it all to go. Yes. Oh, yeah, black and tan. I do have black, and I do have some tan parts. So, my famous Expandacraft 16-footer is called Black and Tan. And it's a fun boat. You can see that the black and the tan kind of complement one another. And I'm hoping maybe Black and Tan, the beer, will sponsor me so that they can help grow business and my tummy. The red boat is a client who dropped it off about 3 months ago, dropped $1,000 in my pocket and disappeared. So hope you are hearing me and you can come back and get your boat, pal. Expandacraft.com. Order yours today before the prices go up.